Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make money on Fiverr without doing the work. So in my mind, there's two methods. There might be more. Go ahead and drop a comment below if you have other methods of doing this. But we want to put the least amount of work into delivering these gigs, almost completely hands off, and actually make money on Fiverr. So how do we do this? So in my mind, there's two methods. One, we can outsource all the work, right? I'm going to show you how to do that. And then number two, which is actually what I do and my favorite, what I actually teach in my latest course, Fiverr Profits Academy. You can check that out below, and you can check more out about that right now. Do you want to learn how to become successful on Fiverr? Ditch the courses that teach you how to create a Fiverr gig. I think we all know how to create a gig on Fiverr, or we can learn easily. My new premium course shows you all the successful gigs and the categories and niches that they're in. I show you how to create gigs in competitive niches like logo design and writing and still get orders. Finally, learn from someone that actually makes money on Fiverr. This is not just theory, but something I have done for years. I debunk the question, is Fiverr too saturated to sell on? See how I make thousands on Fiverr and how you can too. Join the course today by clicking the link below. So back to it, the second way is to create a product one time and then click a button to deliver the order. So let's go ahead and check out number one, outsource. So we're on the Fiverr site, and I just typed in SEO backlinks, right? And so there's over 10,000 services for just typing in SEO backlinks. You're going to see that this is a very competitive market on Fiverr, but there's a lot of money to be made in this market. So what you can do is you could come in here and just find something that's selling, right? SEO contextual backlinks, monthly SEO backlinks. There's all kinds of different ones, and all you have to do is just click on one, and you're going to see that this one has 3 orders in the queue. It starts at 20 bucks. Just come in here. I like to just check this. This one has 1,000 reviews, and they have 22 orders in their queue. They'll do high quality SEO backlinks campaign for Google ranking. So there isn't really anything on here that they're really specifically saying what kind of backlink, right? So that's kind of cool because it's general, but 1,000 backlinks for 60 bucks for low and medium competition, and then $115 for 2,000 backlinks, and $175 for 3,000 backlinks. And it looks like it's a 30-day delivery, which is cool because they have a 7-day delivery, the basic, but the other ones, that's cool. They're not rushing the backlinks. It takes 30 days to deliver. So that's cool. You can also have this new thing in Fiverr where you can actually subscribe to them if they do a good job for you. So you can come back here and kind of look at what I was looking to see if they had like a diagram or a chart. These are high domain authority backlinks, tiered SEO backlinks to your site. So here's just one category. There's several categories, but I'm just using this as an example. So you could grab this, right? High quality backlinks. And then we're going to go over to this site called SEO Clerks. Now this is more of a Fiverr arbitrage method, and you may or may not have heard of this before, but this still does work. You just need to make sure you're delivering the highest quality over here at SEO Clerks. Now, what a lot of people will tell you to do is to post your gig over here for $5 and then come over here and sort by price low to high. And then you'll get the dollar gigs, right? And then you could type in right here, backlinks, right? So you go backlinks, and then we're priced low to high. So then you have all these dollar gigs backlinks, right? And then go for these high rating ones. Now that is a strategy you can do, but that's a little bit more risky when you have, so like right here, create 1,000 backlinks for your URL. They have 95 good ratings. That's great. And they have pretty good positive feedback. It's only $1, so you technically could come over here and publish a gig over here for $5. But what I recommend is taking it a little step further. So they're delivering 1,000 backlinks for $60. Can we find a better quality one over here? I think we can. So we can actually come over here and sort it by the rating. So the highest rated backlinks, right? So we can come through here, and you have all these gigs over here, right? And you could pick one. Right? We can find one that does 1,000 backlinks that has a higher price, right? And so these have the highest rating. So you could take this one, build high PADA, trust flow, citation flow, homepage, PBN backlinks. So we can come back over here and go to homepage backlinks, right? So just type in homepage backlinks, and see what's selling over here, right? So you have right here, permanent homepage backlinks, and they're getting some good reviews, and homepage backlinks selling for starting at $30. So you can click on this. And then when you see this, you can see what they're delivering at 30. They're delivering 5 days, drip fed, 50 high quality backlinks for $30 and so on. So you can just grab this, and that is for $30. You could come back over here. Since you're only paying $5 over here, you could create your own unique gig and just say that you will deliver 10 backlinks for $15. High quality for $15. And then when you get the order, right, you get an order over here, you're just going to come over here and you're going to click on this and you're going to order it now. And you want to make sure to pay attention to the delivery of 2 days. You're going to want to make sure that you put over here as your gig delivery at minimum of 1 day higher than what they're saying, 1 or 2 days to give a cushion. And if they also offer over here a speedy deliver for an extra option, you could throw that in there and just try to get the gig done as quick as possible. They have a 1 day delivery at $20, so that probably would be a little bit out of the option here, but you get the point. So that is one method, right? It's basically Fiverr outsourcing or Fiverr arbitrage. The cool thing is about Fiverr is that it's no longer just $5, right? Look at all these prices, like $25, $30, $35. So the top 4 ranking for homepage backlinks, only one of them starts at $5, right? And so Fiverr is definitely different than just $5. They started off as $5, had to be what the price was. It's no longer like that. Look at, you rarely even get $5 anymore. Now the new minimum is generally $10. So look at this, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $25, $15, $10. No one's selling these backlinks for $5 because they're higher quality than that. And people don't want to do all this backbreaking work. The people that are actually delivering all this stuff, they've built up large networks and they just want to make sure that they're getting compensated fairly. So that is one method. And we'll come back over here to method number 2, creating a product one time, then clicking the button to deliver the order. Let me show you what I mean by that. So we come back over here and just for fun, we're going to type in coloring. We're going to actually type in adult coloring pages. So adult coloring pages, we have over 1,600 services offered right now, and we can just start opening some of these up, right? And we're just going to see this one has a lot. We're going to click on that one, click on that one as well. And you can just work through here like this, right? Now design. And okay, so we have some over here. So here we go. I'll send you a floral coloring book pages for adults. One order in the queue, and they're just delivering the same thing every time. Basically the same pictures every time they deliver. Come through here. This one has 2 orders, and then this one has an order right here. And then there's this one right here, over here. I will give you 1,000 mandala coloring pages. We'll click on that one. And then here's 120 motivation inspirational. And an order in the queue. So you get the point. This does work and people are getting orders and they'll send you these pages. They're sending the same 120 pages to every customer, right? For $10, they're sending 120 pages. They have 127 reviews and they get steady orders. You can even come down here. I like to look at the reviews. They're getting good reviews. Just make similar product to them. 16 hours ago, they got a review right there. A week ago right there, a week ago. So they had a really good, this definitely works and sells. So what you do is you just come in here, and actually what I'd recommend is if they give out more examples of their work, then you can just go off of that. But if they don't, then it might behoove you to go ahead and order the gig so you can actually look through everything. And then what you're going to do is just basically recreate. So do not, this is a major tip, don't take this and then just go and resell it unless they're giving you commercial or actually resell rights. So commercial use means you can take these and sell them on Etsy, sell them on Amazon KDP. You can create your own coloring books with them, right? But that's commercial use. But in order to grab this exact pack and then repost it on Fiverr or Etsy and sell it as is, that is not the rights on this. So you have to do this in an ethical way. So you would take this and you would just use it for an inspiration and you would completely redo all 120 designs. And what I would recommend is up the ante, do 150, create a similar title to this, And then when someone orders your gig, publish this gig on Fiverr. When someone orders this gig, all you have to do is just push one button and it will automatically deliver. You can upload these to Google Drive. You can push a button and then boom, the customer instantly accesses the designs and are happy. So that is the other method that I have used on Fiverr and I had a couple $1,000 months just from one-click auto deliver gigs. If you want to learn more about specifically how I did this and softwares that I use to create my designs, click the link below and check out my brand new Fiverr Profits Academy course. I'll see you in my next video.